Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. Tuesday, Mid Michigan teachers are telling Fox 47 News how they're preparing for their first day of virtual learning. Lansing teachers say their biggest obstacle will be the technology. Less than a week from their first day, teachers say that even though they're concerned, that won't stop them from having a successful year. Some teachers plan to teach from their classroom and say that they will teach as if they are actually together. Other teachers say it's not as much the technology that they're worried about, it's the students. Lansing educators say that they will do their best to bring the magic of in-person teaching to screen-to-screen learning. But ultimately, their main goal is the students' health and safety. Lansing teachers head back to the classroom on Wednesday to continue preparing for the first day of school. The Calhoun County Accident Reconstruction Team announced in a news release that it is investigating a fatal vehicle versus bicyclist accident in the city of Springfield. On Tuesday night at 9:30 p.m., deputies were dispatched to West Dickman Road near Avenue A for an accident involving a vehicle that had collided with a subject riding a bicycle. The westbound vehicle struck the bicyclist, a 70-year-old Battle Creek man, who was also traveling westbound. Deputies and paramedics attempted first aid on the subject. However, he was pronounced dead on the scene. The initial investigation indicates that the bicycle was partially in the roadway when it was struck, and it did not have any lights affixed to it. Alcohol and speed do not appear to be a factor. The sheriff's office was assisted by the Springfield Fire Department and Life Care Ambulance Service. The state is rolling out a campaign to increase the number of Michiganders who get the flu vaccine and help prevent a flu outbreak amid COVID-19. The Facing the Flu campaign by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services was announced at a news conference on Tuesday by Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer and the MDHHS Chief Medical Executive, Dr. Johnny Calhoun. Whitmer said flu season is right around the corner, and preventing the flu will help the state save lives and preserve healthcare resources as it also fights COVID-19. Imagine if we had a major flu outbreak on top of the surge that we experienced in March or April. Thousands more people would need to be hospitalized, she said. Whitmer said as many Michiganders as possible should get vaccinated for the flu, especially students, educators, and staff engaged in face-to-face instruction. Last year, over 3.2 million Michiganders received the flu vaccine. This year, the state wants to see a 33% increase in flu vaccinations. This would be 4.3 million Michiganders getting the vaccine. Calhoun said about 31% of Michiganders 6 months and older received the flu vaccine last year. And in 2018, the state ranked 38th in flu vaccinations. Michiganders can get a flu shot at various places, such as healthcare clinics, their doctor's offices, pharmacies, and some schools and workplaces, Whitmer said. In the U.S. last year, 39 million to 56 million people had the flu, and up to 62,000 people died. Of these 62,000 people, that included 157 children, according to Calhoun. Calhoun stressed that the flu vaccination does not cause the flu, and if someone with the vaccination gets the flu, it's often less severe. Whitmer added that Michiganders need to prevent the spread of both the flu and COVID-19 by wearing a mask and practicing 6-foot social distancing. She said COVID-19 is still a very real threat to residents, frontline workers, and the economy. Until there is a coronavirus vaccine, we must do everything that we can in our power to protect one another, Whitmer said. Nobody is immune to this virus. Calhoun also said that with COVID-19 and the flu circulating, people with the flu symptoms will need to stay out of work and out of school. The coronavirus has changed all of our lives, and many people don't know where to turn for help. That's why Fox 47 News WSYM-TV created Rebound Mid Michigan. Everything you need to get back on track in one convenient place. From dealing with stress to unemployment to helping put food on your table, plus ways you can lend a hand in your own community. Rebound Mid Michigan. Everything you need to help you through these difficult times. We may have fallen, but we will rebound together. Visit fox47news.com/rebound to learn more. Learn more about all of these and all Mid Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.